Tuesday at 12 noon is our sales mastermind. Our weekly sales mastermind is once a week every Tuesday from 12 to 1, where everybody in our team, our admin staff team, our operation, our inside sales team, our outside sales team, all our partners get together for once a week. We mastermind together. We talk about best practices. We problem solve every once a week. So every once a week, what we do is we ask one question like, what is the one thing, how to help unstuck? So we talk about this afternoon, we discuss about, for example, we have multiple offers on one home. We talk about negotiation, how to handle that problem. So, and then we talk about, I think one of the other ones is that we have many homeowners who want to hire our team, but at the moment they're still existingly stuck with the other agent, what to do with that. So there's a lot of mastermind and discussion. I love, one of the best thing that I like about we have daily session, but one of the best is our Tuesday 12 o'clock mastermind, because together in a roundtable discussion we have a conversation, we discuss, because you become the average of the 5 people that you hang out at the time. So one of the benefits of being associated with our team is the law of association, is who you hang out with, right? I like the camaraderie, the team concept, the fact that we share best practices at least once a week. It's been awesome. So hey guys, so enjoy this and looking forward to serve you and your family. If you've never been to our team, I'm inviting you to call and to stop by so I can do a backstage, so I can show you, give you a private backstage tour of our team. All you need to do, call 626-789-0159. Make it a great week.